Okay, I'm Neith with Western Heritage Furniture, and today we're going to do our major repairs. What we're going to start with is a razor blade. You can see here there's a pretty good scratch across the grains. So what you can do is kind of hide this a little bit by just doing a little cutting to kind of make it look like there's some natural wear and tear, being that this is barn wood. So we're going to kind of cut down with the grain here a little bit. And don't be too aggressive. You just want to kind of clean it up a little bit so it'll disappear. And what we're going to do next is, I like to do a piece of sandpaper, fold it in half so now you can kind of get down in here and clean up all these little scratches. Makes it a little smoother. And then now, we're going to take our short brush, put it in our Bree wax, and this you're going to kind of just jab and dab into it so it gets good coverage. Let it sit for a couple seconds. Then you want to kind of buff it out with one rag. And then you'll come back with a clean one. And get a nice buff. And that looks like it's been there forever.